insanity. It's madness. It's a deliberate, conscious waste of people's time. You know, so if they go on with that inquest for 100 years, you won't get nothing out of it. Generations will come and meet another generation. Nothing will come out of it. The way as it is now, nothing. If they like, let them go to any whatever, go to Supreme, go to whatever and get whatever. Nothing. Because the root problem is not being dealt with. Nobody is talking about the root problem. If anybody, like now, say for instance, Bankola and Smith, they go get, if they get whatever order they want to get, they get judgment at the end of the day, and the judgment is in their favor, and they come into this matter inquest, they are still going to join a bandwagon of a waste of time. They are still going to end up wasting their own time and wasting people's time, because you are coming to come and build on a faulty foundation. You know, what are you gonna get at the end of the day? All the bricks you're gonna put on top, they're gonna fall flat. Everything is gonna fall and get dismissed.
Jack, you've been peddling this same summation, and I completely disagree. And I don't think you should continue in it, because even Aristocrats has educated everyone on Sele, and you are still holding on to this, and you will go on and on and on for it. Don't let us say that, no, because otherwise, you have not actually proposed an alternative, but then you are saying that it's going to crumble this and that. We should try and stop saying things like this. No, there is a rule of law in the country.
Who needs education? I didn't say you. I said educated everyone. Yeah, that's what you should say. I am saying you keep saying that it's going to crumble. Then bring up your own suggestions. Stop. Just the same thing for 1 week. I almost can repeat you word for word. That is because I don't go into stories. I don't like stories.
No, you actually go into a lot of stories. And that is why you will see people typing on the comment section, okay, next person. You go into a lot of story and you go long, repeating yourself.
Can you allow me to talk, please? I don't want to go into it.
Jack, you repeat the same thing over and over. Give us your own solution. If there is a petition you want to write, you go and write it.
Please. What the fuck is this? Can you let me talk? Did you bring me up? This is not your platform. Come on. Let me talk. Each and every time I try to talk anywhere, I see your comment on the comments. You're saying next speaker. And when Aristocrat is talking, he can talk forever.
Yeah, because it makes sense. You repeat yourself, you are still going to repeat exactly the same thing. I almost can tell you what you are going to say now. I hear your submission in my dream. And you don't have this.
It is intentional. I don't.
You see, everybody is saying, Jack, you got nothing to say. Jack, you read the comments. That I didn't put any comments there.
Read the
comments.
Look, you worry about comments.
Continue.
I don't worry about comments. People can say whatever they like. I don't care. Let them say whatever they like. Is it my hand they're using to type? If anybody want to say something, just say it. Don't write. I don't care. You people care a lot about what people think, what people say. And the moment you...
Way forward is what we want. Way forward. What is your way forward?
I have said...
What is your way forward?
It's because you're not listening to me. You're not paying attention. People that pay attention, they know what I'm saying.
No, nobody pay attention to you anymore. One lie to lie. Nobody do.
They don't have to.
Because you repeat the same thing. You're going to go into the corona supposed to be last. You're in pathology. You're going to go if the death is clear or unclear. Go ahead. Continue.
You see, the problem is this. I am not one of those people that care about what people say. And I don't care. Look, I don't go to platforms. I don't listen to people. That's the problem. You think some people are like, you people are listening to people and you don't come up, you don't digest things, and you don't do your own research. Everybody, you want to listen to one person, you want to look. If anybody is educating, Aristocrat has educated those that need the education. I know everything.
Come up with your own solution and take the initiative. Who are you telling all these things to? We don't want to listen. We are all in this together. Who are you telling all these things to? You take the initiatives of whatever you think they are doing wrong. Do it the right way. You take the initiatives. You go do it right. You go write the petitions. Look what the whole comment is saying now. You do it. You will say, oh, if the Bankole and Smith are going to build and it's going to crumble, they are building on this. Propose yours and take the lead.
Okay, let me finish. Let me just have my submission and get off for you. You can go ahead and start saying whatever you want to say. I don't give a fuck about what they're saying. Those in the comment section, because you people, you care so much about them. I don't care about all of these low lives, brainless people. They hide behind the phones and just typing. Come up and talk. So please, let me just make my submission in peace, and I don't want to get interrupted, please. Madam Susie for Justice, everyone on the panel, I agree, everyone. So now, once again, I'm going to continue with what I was saying. And of course, it's like music to your hearing. And I'm saying it to those that want to hear. If you don't want to hear, you can shut your ears, please. So, the Bankole and Smith or whoever that want to come in to speak for the public, you want to speak for the public, you want to speak for Mohbad. Of course, that's what, yesterday I was saying it.
Susan, please put up a timer. Thank you.
I've been saying it, and I said that Mohbad does not have legal representative in this case, that we have left Mohbad in the hands of his worst three enemies. That is the state, the police, the coroner on one side, then Mohbad's family on the other side. These people are his enemies. Then you have Wummi and Falan on the other side, and those killers, the killers on the other side. All of them have legal representatives. Who is speaking for Mohbad? Nobody. Who is speaking for Mohbad? Nobody. Public funded Baba Mohbad just to protect his own interest and to defend himself, not Mohbad. Nobody has done anything for Mohbad in this case. Nobody has spoken for Mohbad. He needs voice, he needs representative. But I'm saying that all of these people, Shitu, Smith and whatever, these people, your sons, they ought to know the process, the coroner process. They are not raising objection. I have said this thing over and over. Even yesterday, Supreme Lady that is countering me now, she's now saying that they will now tell Bankole and Smith that, that the process is faulty, that they even need to raise objection to that. Why didn't they do it all of this while? When a process is faulty, a process that is so faulty, and that faulty process is not allowing Mohbad to get justice, it's not allowing those killers to be exposed, for them to be caught and be arraigned. It is the process. The statement that the police said that Baba Mohbad came and wrote to them, the statement or petition, whatever it is, that one person, a group led by Prime Boy. I'm not. You don't expect me to come here and be saying things and come and entertain people. No, I'm not. I don't do that kind of fucking shit, man. I will keep to the point. If there are any other issues, I will talk about them. But for now, this is what it is. Justice for Mohbad. The process is faulty. These people are not raising objection. If they had raised objection at the initial stage, maybe we won't be where we are now. You're not raising it. All you just want is to be part of a process that is faulty already. What the coroner is what the inquest that was not supposed, it was not even necessary, not needed. Okay, let's forget that they have jumped two stages and they have moved to the last phase, which is inquest. Now you want to be part of that inquest, and what that inquest is looking, the basis of that inquest is the statement police said that Baba Mohbad gave to them, that a group led by Prime Boy came to fight Mohbad, and Mohbad sustained an injury, and subsequently when he got home, he got worse than then. A nurse was called to come and give him whatever injections. And then the action of the nurse killed him. That is what the inquest is looking at. And that is why they will not bring all of those 15 people in that house to come and drill them. Because as far as they are concerned, and as far as the police preliminary investigation is concerned, those people are free people. They have not committed any crime. Is that supposed to be so? But because they skip, they jump the crucial stage where these people are supposed to be caught, the killers. By now, they're supposed to be in Kirikiri. Probably judgment should be very close by now. If they have done the right thing, they didn't do it. Until now, they've not done it. They've gone to obtain to get judgment, you know, by stopping the proceeding. That's good. That's fine. But even when they get it, if they come back and join that process without doing what they're supposed to have done in the first instance, what do they want to get out of it? Because all the inquest is looking into is the person that Prime Board that fought is how to get that Prime Board that fought with Mohbad and the nurse. That's what they're looking at. Bring any other fact, they won't look into it because that is the preliminary investigation of the police. That's the report. And it's based on that report that the coroner is working. The coroner works based on that report. Is what coroner is, are they investigators? Did they go to Mohbad to go and check anything there? Nothing. It is the alleged preliminary investigation the police have said that they've done, that the coroner will look at and say, due to X, Y, and Z, the cause of this guy's death is clear, or it is not clear. If it is not clear, then you start, you make a decision and then you move to post-mortem. If at post-mortem you still cannot determine it, then you now move to inquest, which is the last phase. But you cannot jump one stage and move to the other stage. And nobody is saying this. And that is what I'm saying. You want me to come here and be saying something different? I start talking about Karima. I start talking about what is my own business with all of these people? They can fucking go to hell. I don't give a fuck about anybody, man. All I give a fuck about is just Mohbad. Get justice. What is my own with story? Some wise men will just come and start talking. I want to talk just to make everything sweet. Who gives a fuck about that? That's what I'm saying. If anybody gets it, get it. If you don't get it, don't get it. I submit.
Good morning. Please, can I go ahead with my submission now?
Yeah, go ahead. Good morning.
Good morning, Supreme Iron Lady. Good morning, IT guy. Good morning, Precious. Good morning, Jack. Good morning, Undisputable Diamond. I would like to ask, who buy Mohbad? When are they going to get them arrested? When are they going to get them arrested? Is it Wummi that buy Mohbad? Is it Wummi that buy Mohbad? Is it Wummi go look pa Mohbad? I'm just asking. Please. What are we going to do next? Thank you.
What we are going to do next, because we have the government who is supposed to look for the killer of Mohbad. They are not doing it. They are actually protecting the killer of Mohbad, and we are not okay with that. If you see our title this morning on the screen there, if you have the opportunity to write a petition, the reason why you want the appointed judge for the inquest should be removed, put your reason and make it in front of petitions. Let it go out before the 24th, before the 14th of this month. We want to have petition to go out before the 14th of this month, so that by the time she go for the hearing, the petitions will also be waiting for her there. So, to answer your questions, that is what we need to do. Instead of us fighting each other and disagreeing with each other, we need to get to work and start working, because obviously the system that we are relying on, which is the Lagos State government that we are relying on, no, they are not ready to look for who killed Mohbad. They are not ready to hold the right people that killed Mohbad responsible for the death of Mohbad. They are ready to charge the wrong people that were not present when Mohbad was killed. They are ready to hold them responsible for the death of Mohbad. And for us, we are not going to watch that happen. So the best thing to do, this lady in question, she don't have the interest of looking for who killed Mohbad at heart. So what do we do as a public? We need to put petition and let her remove herself, or the government had to remove her and replace her with another person. So that is what we are doing. So that's the only way we can get the right people that killed Mohbad.
Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Susie for Justice. Thank you.
Jagiru style wo tún lélẹ̀ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Hey, God have mercy.
Wọ́n ti ní pé ayé repetition làwà báyìí ká máa repeat lọ́nà ẹ ṣé gan.
Anyway, since everybody is maybe Susan, it's time for you to start introducing some financial obligations. Abi, what do you think?
Yeah, let's have everybody come up. I'm trying to see if Amen or Aristocrat can show off. So what we are doing, it's okay if anybody want to do petitions. You understand? The public, Amen is going to do one on behalf of the public. Lady Aris is going to do one too on behalf of the public. So we're going to have it. If you can have 10 from different place, you understand, on behalf of the public, maybe people in the US, people in the UK, people in Ireland, people in Nigeria. We are all the same people fighting for this justice, and we have it turning because we are all watching. That's mean to show them we are watching and we are not okay with her performance, you know. So, and what we intend doing, we do it and publish it on newspaper. That's what we are intending doing. Oh, he's gone. So that's what we are intending doing. So everybody, you know, for you to know, you know. Let me bring these people up and see. Adenike is there. Voice of Ghana. Okay, let's see. Okay, Ready Aries, over to you. Over to you.
I said I'm not seeing any. Sorry, I'm reading a text message. I'm not seeing any request. Are people requesting?
I don't know. I think they keep on dropping. Everybody is on the. I brought Adenike up.
Oh, okay. Anyway, so you know, we all have heard what is going on. That is what it is. What it is. We are here now. We cannot keep going back and referring back to what happened. The deed has been done. We just have to pick up the pieces and move forward from here. And going forward, the inquest. Good morning. The inquest is on hold, and Smith and Bankole are on the high courts. They are in the high courts now to get to vacate the magistrate's order for refusing the adjoinder order. So they are trying to vacate the order. Like Susan said, the hearing is going to be October 14th. Hopefully they will have one or two sittings. Maybe that will be the first sittings. I do not expect that day to be the determination day. Maybe they will have another one. because that day will be a day of submitting documents and documentations and proving your points. And the judge, I have the judge's name, probably will take another sitting to review it and do his verdict. We are very hopeful because there are a lot of things that have been done wrong. So we are in fact, I can almost say I have a 95% hope, which is very, very high, that they will be back at the inquest. So if they are back at the inquest, I'm 100% certain, 110 certain that everything that happened on Monday is null and void. But I don't know how far back they will go. I will assume they will have to, they were able to participate up to 2 inquests. The first one and the second one, they were able. I think they stopped participating in April when Shitu came in. So I think from April down will be null and void. That means there is chance, a very strong opportunity anyway, Wummi is coming back either way through Prime Boy's lawyer. But even some people that have spoken before, people like Adura, if I can remember, if Smith and Bankole did not have an opportunity to cross-examine them, then they will be recalled.